G'day my friends, how are you? I've got a copy of the Border Models PAK 40. So let's have a quick look at this thing. Looks pretty good. Pretty nice box. It's got one of those sort of flip open boxes. It's got a nice picture on the front. And on the back here it shows you what you get. You get a nice metal barrel in this one with some figures. You get a couple different wheels. That's all you get though. That's all the accessories you get with that, but it does look pretty solid. Those wheels look pretty solid. You get a couple different muzzle brakes, so it'd be interesting to see what Border does, because I've done a Dragon version and I've done the mini art version, so I've done them just over here. So that's the mini art one there. I wasn't a big fan of the mini art one. That was okay. I really did like the Dragon one. The Dragon one was really good. Really good to build. I really enjoy building that one. And it sort of more looks like that, but Dragon didn't have a metal gun barrel, so that'll be cool. The mini art one was very fiddly. It's accurate and nice and lots of detail, but it is very, it comes up a bit weak, you know what I mean? Needs a bit more strength. But let's have a look inside this Border Model pack. So inside the pack you get 3 plastic sprues to make up the gun. And they look pretty good. They do look like the solid Border Models moulding that you come to expect. And then we've got the accessories, so you get literally those. We get the 3 different types of wheels, which do look pretty good. And then we got all the parts to make up the cannon. No problems there. They do look really nice and well made, you know what I mean? That's the front plate. I reckon the mini art one looks a bit better. Oh, there's a box, ammunition box. Then we go over here, we've got the different muzzle brakes. They've been slide molded out. They're actually fully built, aren't they? You don't have to put the front part on, which is strange. And then we've got the plastic one if you want to do that for the gun barrel. But there is a metal one included. And they look really good. All the little fiddly parts. And then we've got some little circle things for the wheels. Look at the rear here. So there's no problems there. No ejection pin marks where they shouldn't be. Those ammo rounds very crisp. Don't know which wheels to choose. So that's the 3 sprues that we've got to build the gun. And they look really good. Like standard Border, good. Also in the pack they include these extra accessories, so you get the metal gun barrel there, which looks really good. Very, very nice. You get a couple of little photo etch sheets there, very small ones. And then you get a couple of figures to go with it, and it's those ones that Border uses by that Jason sort of company or whatever it is that does their pictures. And they do their figures in a certain way. They don't look too bad. Like, there's a bit of detail in them. The faces aren't the greatest, but they should come up alright. Like, that hat's a bit dodgy there. Bit plain. I found their faces are always a bit plain. But they look alright. They're okay. They're a good addition. And then you get the instruction manual. We'll have a look at that. So you get a little instruction booklet with it. So here it is. It's only a little small one. And first up you get some information about the PAK 40. So some history, a couple of little pictures there. It shows you what you get to make the cannon. It's got a few steps here, so you got to do all these steps and build it all up. It's not the easiest project, you know, these things do require a little bit of work, but you get all these different things you can do and all these options, different muzzle brakes you can put on, different ways you can build it up. the different wheels and all that kind of stuff. And then it shows you just a couple of different painting options. So you get the standard Dunkelgelb, then the dark grey, and the camo pattern one. And it looks like they're also going to be releasing some future ships and American aeroplanes. And that's about it. That's all you get in your little Border PAK 40 kit. Border are doing a lot of stuff lately, which is really good. So they're releasing a lot of cool different stuff. So pretty exciting what they're doing at the moment. Pretty cool to be into this hobby right now. So thank you for watching, but I'll also quickly show you, if you're still here, I've been working on this here. So this mini art tram, it's like a mid-tram, so mid-era tram, X series. I've come a long way with it, so got a lot of work done, but got the side sort of put on, and now I've got to put the other side on, get that painted up. It's a bit of work, you know, getting all the wood paneling done, and you got to get the doors built and all that kind of stuff, all the seating done. But once it comes together, it should be pretty good. Like, there's a lot of detail in it. Heaps underneath. It's just, yeah, really complicated little build, but it should be really cool. All right, my friends, I'll speak to you again very soon.